In a Western society where European features are mainstream standards of beauty, it can be very difficult for Black women and girls to see themselves as beautiful. Hair is a major factor in a woman's sense of beauty. So when kinky hair isn't shown on the media, or there's not that much education available for how to maintain and how to take care of kinky hair, a lot of us end up permanently straightening our hair to conform. I wore my hair straight for 10 years, and when I finally decided to cut it off and grow my hair natural, I became passionate about Black women's natural hair and how it impacts their sense of beauty and sense of self-love. I originally saw a shift in myself, and then I noticed a shift in my loved ones who also returned natural. And I thought that this was something that was worth exploring. One reason why Black women tend to dislike their natural hair is because they don't know how to take care of it. It can be really difficult to take care of Afro textured hair, especially when you've grown up with your mom relaxing your hair so it's permanently straightened, or she always put it in extensions or weaves. Those styles were known to be more manageable. But I believe they're only more manageable because there wasn't so much education available for people to learn how to maintain their natural hair. Which is why, as I learned how to take care of my natural locks, I decided to become a resource so that others can learn how to deal with their natural locks as well. My brand doesn't just offer natural hair care products, but it also offers a ton of free videos on YouTube and on Instagram for people to learn my tips and tricks on how to manage natural locks. I believe that if you want to empower someone, give them some education. The key ingredient in my natural hair products is horsetail leaf herb, and I'm actually surprised that it's not present in more beauty products. According to research, horsetail leaf has more silica than any known herb on the planet. Yes, and silica is so important because that's what strengthens your skin, your hair, your nails. My products are also abundant in selenium, which is what encourages hair growth. All of the ingredients are clean and organic, and they're to help grow or regrow and definitely strengthen your hair so you can retain more length. I believe that when women have strong, healthy hair, they're more likely to appreciate their natural beauty. Sometimes we don't feel pretty and feminine while we're transitioning from relaxed to natural. We're learning how to take care of our hair, and it can be pretty awkward. So that's why I also offer infinity head wraps, which are the most versatile head wrap you can find. They help women express their femininity by giving them an opportunity to accessorize with different patterns and designs and colors. And what's most impressive about this infinity head wrap is that it can be worn in countless ways, giving women the opportunity to change it up. They're very versatile, and that's one thing kinky hair is as well, versatile. A lot of people think that you can't do much with it, just wear it in an afro, but that's not true. Look at me, I have my hair in locks. But you can also wear your kinky hair in braids and twists. Tons of styles. My mission for Love, Light, and Locks is completely aligned with my passion to empower Black women, helping us feel confident and secure and beautiful in our natural hair. After all, it's more than a hair journey, it's a self-love journey. And that's what Love, Light, and Locks is all about.